Hey guys, another video here. Yeah, remember I said in the first video I couldn't find a buyer? Well, I found a buyer now, and this car's getting sold today. And yeah, hopefully the guy fixes it up. He told me he's gonna make a drift car out of it, and that would be great for me because I didn't have time for this car for all the army stuff I've been doing. And hopefully when I get out of the army, I'll buy a GTS, like dream car that I wanted. This car was just like whenever I bought it, I just wanted it because it was a good deal at the time. But yeah, this car is being sold really cheap for bad conditions. I think it really has bad conditions, but it's a lot of work. And a guy in his 20s like me shouldn't be spending all his money on a rusty old shit car. But yeah, it was a good car. And, I took it down the road a few times. I had a few scares because the brakes went bad. So look at me, I'm still here. But yeah, the car is good. I'm just waiting for the seller to get here and I'm gonna sell this car. One last look around for the car before I sell it. I mean, guy's coming at 12, so maybe he'll see this video. Yeah, it was time to let it go, man. Like, this car needs a lot of work. I don't want to spend. I spent close to like $4,000 on this car for all those parts because the shipping costs so much. Like, there's no like local Toyota AE86 dudes or that live around here that have parts. Most of them that I seen from the Facebook groups are from like California, because all the coupes and hatchbacks that I know are literally in Florida, California, and Puerto Rico. And there's a group in Texas. I think they're in San Antonio or Austin. But yeah, most of them don't like. Some of them just to keep their parts, man. And then whenever they sell them expensive, because these parts, dude, are really expensive. Like, I paid $350 for his fenders, right? But I live so fucking far away from Pennsylvania, so the shipping was $280. And yeah, well, that box right there, I finally got it like this past Monday. It's a new, well, it's basically new because the guy kept the wires really good. It's a new SR5, well, not new, but like it's a SR5 body, whole car body harness. Because my plan was to change all the wires in the car, and I actually did. I actually got them. I just never put it on. I just got them this past Monday, but 2 days ago I changed my mind. Like, man, this car is gonna be a death for me, dude. I can't keep putting money in this. I don't know. Project cars are really hard, dude. It takes time, but I'm just being impatient. I just want to get rid of this thing. But yeah, I'll send you guys an update when I buy a new car. Hopefully it's close, or in a few. I don't think I'm gonna buy it in a few weeks, but I just gotta look for the right car, and this one isn't it. Yeah. Alright, guys. Hopefully in a year when I get out of the army, get to get a new car, a new GTS. I don't want an SR5. I'd rather pay good money not on a project car. And just enjoy the car, because like I know having projects is fun, but I want something that I want to enjoy, like quick. But yeah, thank you guys for watching my last 2 videos. I know it's kind of funny how I posted those videos thinking I was gonna make a series, but yeah, I told you in the first video that I tried selling it, and I finally found a buyer. I found one. So I think it's good for me. I'm just gonna keep saving my money that the army gives me. But yeah, thank you guys for watching.